Hey guys, Mike Beresford here from Open Wealth Creation again. We've had a few more questions in, so I'm your man, going to take care of one of the things that we get asked a fair bit in terms of how people should purchase a property in terms of ownership structures to make sure they maximise the tax benefits. Now, there are a range of structures that are out there. You can buy them in your personal name, you can put them in a trust, through a company, so on and so forth. Those structures will completely be dependent on your personal situation. But let's assume that you're buying in your personal name and you're a married couple. Should the property go in one person's name or both people's name, so on and so forth. What's key is to make sure that the ownership structure is in the person's name that has the highest taxable income. Okay? This is a pretty simple one. So if we look at it, if these are the holding costs of the property, then ideally this is how the three different types of cash flow contribute to the holding costs. So with an investment property, obviously we get rent coming in from tenants. On average interest rates, that'll cover about 60% of the holding cost. The tax benefits, if it's set up right, you maximise those, will be about 30%, maybe even a little bit more if you're on a higher income bracket, leaving about 10% or a little bit less from you out of pocket. Now, if the property is in the person's name that has the lower taxable income, then there's a bit of an issue here, because what happens is this split here shifts. And if you're paying a lower tax rate and you're getting less tax benefit, then all of a sudden this one here might only be 20%, which means that the amount that it's costing you has doubled. And if it costs you double to hold, then you can hold half the number of properties. And when you look at that over a 10-year period, that can sometimes be hundreds of thousands of dollars, if not more, in lost opportunity. So really important to get right. Make sure the properties go in the name of the person that has the highest taxable income to maximise the income you get from people other than you.